Hey guys, it's Miss Weston. Good morning and welcome to day 2. For those of you that were able to join us yesterday, thank you so much for a great first day of school. And for those of you who are just joining us today, welcome. What we're going to do now, I'm going to show you how you're going to spend the first hour of your morning. So between 7:40 and 8:45 today, you're going to be working on your digital citizenship lessons in Canvas. So in order to get there, you're going to click on your left-hand side of your screen. So here I am in our homeroom. You're going to click this button here that says courses. Now for right now, I am only able to see our homeroom course, but you should have another one in there that says technology. I want you to pause this video, go to your screen. I want you to click the technology button that you see on the left here for your courses. And then once you're on the technology side, I want you to come back to the video so you can see what to do next. So pause, go to technology. Once you're there, come back to the video and I'll give you the next direction. All right, now that you are joining me, that means that you're in your 5th grade technology classroom. So on the left-hand side here, you'll see it says 5th grade technology. And on your home screen, it looks a little different. We don't have the little camping pictures that we have in our homeroom. We just have a basic setup. So what you're gonna do now, if you didn't get here yesterday, that's totally okay. You're gonna start at the very top with things to know. This is a really important module, and the module is the word that describes all of the lessons that go in a little package, in a neat little package. They all go together. What you're going to learn in the Getting Started module is actually going to help you in reading and in math as we go through this year. So you're going to see that this lesson, Things to Know, is going to teach you how to navigate. It's going to teach you what the parts of a lesson look like. It's going to show you some things that are in our course, give you some tips for success, and then just share some information with you. So at the top of your screen, like me, you have some things. You have a glossary, which is what will help you look up words that you want to know that are included in the course. You have the option to print. I don't have a printer at my house, but if you have a printer at your house and there's something really important that you feel like you need to print, you can do that. There's a translate button up here. So if you are working with your parent and your parent speaks Spanish, you are able to translate the information into Spanish. You just click that button and your information will be translated, as well as some other things. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to learn how to navigate with these tools, which are going to show up, like I said, in reading and in math. So why don't you pause your video and go to your technology module and click on the very first part, Things to Know, so that you can match me where I'm at. And then once you've gotten a look at that, go ahead and come back to the video. All right, if you're joining me again, that means that you were able to get to this screen on your own Canvas. So what I'm going to show you next are these arrows up here. You notice how it says 1 of 1. That means that there's one part to go through on this page. And so when we hit this pink arrow, it's going to take us to the next lesson, right? But in the next lesson, you see that there are 4 parts. So we are going to click through each of those parts in order to get to the end. So what you'll see here are some instructions. It says select each highlighted area to learn more about navigating your course. So what you're going to do is just read through this, and it's going to teach you how to move from space to space. And to get to the next part, you just press the pink arrow, and this is going to teach you about all of the tools that you can use, again, for translation, text-to-speech, things like that. So I want you to pause the video here, and I want you to go through all of... So what you're going to do now that you have seen how each of these little pieces work, you're going to click on each one at a time and go through it so that you learn how to navigate the tools. And once you've made it all the way through, that's when your digital citizenship lessons start. You're going to work on this at your own pace. And so what that means is, like, you're not racing anybody. You can go as fast or as slow as you want, and you can take as many breaks as you want. But you're going to start here with the pre-test. So when you click on this, it's going to open up for you, and you are going to read, follow the directions, and use these arrows to navigate. And as you go, it will continue to give you prompts and show you what it is you need to do, and just keep going through this at your own pace as far as you can. And this is what you'll be working on in the morning for the rest of the week. If you have any questions, you can join our live lesson. I will be here to answer any questions that you may have. Otherwise, I will see you at 9 o'clock. Thanks for joining me.